guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have PopSugar for fall. Do you want to see what's inside this seasonal box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my fall PopSugar just arrived, and this is now my second season. So I'm so curious to see what is inside. I know there was, I think there's like one item that we could say which color variation. I believe there's only one item that we could choose. No, there was two different color variations, I believe, that we could choose now that I'm remembering. But if you don't know about PopSugar must have, this one is $75 a quarter with free shipping. If you use my code down below, my link, that gives you $20 off, making your very first box only $55. If you choose quarterly, or if you choose annually, you save $30 and it makes it $270. Each box is valued over $300. The must-have box is packed with hand-picked, editor-curated products. Your seasonal box will be delivered to your doorstep 4 times a year to enjoy all fun all season long. So let's see. This is the most expensive one that I have so far. And last season was okay. And I was kind of hoping I didn't do a whole year, but I did. So let's see what my second box brings. Ooh, that's very pretty inside. So that's what it looks like inside. Let's see here, you guys. Okay, so they do give you a little book, and it goes over the items, and I believe it goes over the pricing. Yes, it gives you suggested retail value. So let's go ahead and just start with what I saw right on top. This says push lock medium. And this was one that you could choose. They had 3 different color variations right there. And this says, the Cambridge Satchel Company, push lock crossbody in putty, dapple, or stone. I got dapple. Your most versatile accessory is here. This 100% leather push lock crossbody bag, handmade in Great Britain. The modern design can easily be dressed up or dressed down, so you'll find yourself reaching for it all season long. Suggested retail value, $115. I know it's a leather, but holy moly, $115? Color may vary based on preference selection. All right, let's see what this $115 little tiny guy looks like. And it has like their logo on the back. There's the front, and it has their little tag hanging out here. $115, holy moly. I mean, that's more than the cost of the bag. This is definitely not my style whatsoever. It would be kind of nice if they gave us different styles. I mean, we only could choose the color, and it's just all open. There's nothing, there's no zipper, there's no nothing in there. It's just a little open purse. Again, this is definitely not my style. Now this is like sticking out. That would bug me if I did wear it. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like this purse? Do you think it's worth $115? Yeesh. Let's see what else is in here. Let's go to the next page and see. Okay, so right here. That was from my previous video. There we go. Okay, so Charlotte Tilbury. Here is a Matte Revolution. This is a lip product, and it's going to be in Pillow Talk or Walk of Shame. And I got Walk of Shame, valued at $34. All beauty lovers should have a Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in their makeup arsenal. Well, now I will. The smooth formula moisturizes your pout. A blend of oils, triglycerides, and waxes glide long-lasting color onto your lips. Choose between celebrity favorite Pillow Talk, a cult classic, or Walk of Shame, the best-selling berry rose hue from the brand. Okay, so there was 3 different variations, and you could choose between the 2 lip products, the 3 different colors of the purse, and there's one other thing in here that you could have chose between 2 colors. So here's the actual packaging, and that is what it looks like. Let's see here. There's the color. It smells good. So there's that. I think it's very pretty color, and it's very fall. So it's a pretty color for fall. Nothing's getting on my teeth so far, but I'll check again in a little bit. So this is valued again at $34. Now, so the next item would be in here. This was the other variation. I'm just gonna knock the whole thing off the table. This was the last thing that you could choose the variation, and this was between silver or gold. This is an adjustable gold or silver plated ring. Okay. There we go. So I chose silver in case it fits because I don't wear yellow gold. There's that. I mean, the teal, like this color is really pretty, but that looks more of like a way different color green. Like, I don't know, to me, those 2 colors don't go together. I don't like those 2 colors together, to be quite honest. Like, it's like a green with a teal. I don't know. I'm just not fond of those 2 colors together. I don't know, but I mean, if I do, it would kind of fit on my pinky, I guess. Like, I could probably open it up a little bit, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one just yet. This is valued at $65. I don't know. Do you guys think those colors go together? Like those 2 different shades of greens? I don't know. One's like a teal and one's like a, I don't know. That just, to me, those don't look good together. But that's just my own opinion. So let's keep on moving right along. This says One Love Organics Love Plus Charcoal Mask. This is valued at $49. Put your best face forward with this creamy detoxifying mask that helps clarify your complexion while extracting dirt, debris, and impurities from your skin. This is like a glass bottle. It is like, that's what it looks like inside. $49 for this little tiny bottle of a charcoal mask. Yeesh. So there's the actual packaging. Still nothing on my teeth. $49 for that little bottle seems like a little too much. Next we have is pumpkin spice and vanilla bean latte, small batch gourmet popcorn. This right here is valued at $2.99. So that seems like a good price. They did right on that one. $2.99 I would say would be for something like this. I smell coffee instead of like pumpkin and vanilla. It smells like maybe pumpkin spice lattes in my head now. Ew. Let me see. It's like moist, like it's wet. I like my popcorn to be crisp, like popcorn, but that's like wet. It has like a texture of like it being soggy, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't, when you bite into it, it doesn't really have that popcorn texture. I don't know, that was weird. That one's weird. So let's just keep on going, guys. So far, I'm really not too impressed with this box, but that's just my opinion. Okay, this guy here is a brew bottle. Your daily commute will be easier than ever with this brew bottle. It's perfect for both coffee and tea lovers. The double wall glass keeps your beverage hot or cold and your hands comfortable. Bonus points. The filter provides a balanced taste with no sediment. It'll be your new favorite to-go bottle, valued at $40. And I have a Keurig, so I always have my K-cups. So this doesn't seem like something that I'm going to be using. So I don't know if I'm gonna save this for a gift or put it in a future giveaway. I'm not sure yet. So I'm not even going to open it or anything, but I don't know. I might have to watch like a YouTube video of how this is made and see if it's even something that I would even be interested in. But for right now, this doesn't seem like something that I would use, only because I have my K-cups and I can't just drop a K-cup in there. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this just yet, but it looks interesting. I just don't have loose coffee. I mean, I do have some loose leaf tea, but I don't know. I might just save this for somebody who would actually use it. I don't know. That was valued at $40. Then, well, here's some tea. Here's some tea that can go with it if y'all wanted. This says Tumeric Tea Sampler. It feels like there's like all different ones in there. This is valued at $9.99. Okay, so bag is empty now. We have Unbox a New Journey in Tea. So I guess this is telling you how to prepare the perfect cup of tea. So it has like instructions depending on which style teas that you are using. Then we have their business card, Oprah's favorite things of 2018. So then what is in the sampler? These are these would just be like a single use. There's not really a whole lot in there. This is the turmeric spiced herbal tea. This one is turmeric ashwagandha. Oh no. Turmeric pepper. Turmeric ginger. And turmeric moringa. So those are the little samples. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little samples in this bag. That makes this thing $9.99. Then, so that's everything that you would get in your box. So for everything added up in their suggested retail value, the total box value would be right here. Now it says, P.S. there's more. Open this flap to reveal this month's special extras. These items are bonus free gifts for you to try in addition to the curated content of the box. And that would be this. Let's get that opened. There's a little thing for golden milk latte and stir up some beauty. Then here is a collagen protein, orange flavored, these like protein shakes, dietary supplement. Yes, so then here is a mandarin orange flavor, collagen protein. This one is unflavored. And then this one is pomegranate. I've never heard of that brand before. And then this says Vanity Fair, use this coupon for 75% off Beauty Black Bra. We've got your back. There's some code for 75% off some bra. And then it came with this little thing here. Is this like a mirror? Yeah. There's a mirror. So these are just the little extras. They're not added towards the box value or anything like that. So that is everything for this box. You guys think? Do you think that this is worth $75? Again, this is only my second box, so I don't really know what to expect when it comes to this box. This thing seems like it would be a neat idea. Like I said, I need to see how this works to make up my mind on what I'm going to do with this product. This purse is definitely not my style whatsoever. Plus, I couldn't even fit my wallet inside of here. And I mean, I don't know, like and then there's a little sample of tea. I do like this lip product. And then there's a face mask that I think is a little overpriced. Knocking everything around. And then you have the pumpkin spice gourmet popcorn that is not good in my opinion. And the flavor is definitely interesting, but the way, like the texture of the popcorn is not like what popcorn should be. So I won't eat that. So the only thing really out of this entire box for $75 that I'm going to be keeping is the one lip product valued at what, $37. So to me, this box was not worth it. But again, this is something that I bought to bring to my channel to show you guys what this was about. If you guys like these items, definitely use my code to save that $20 off, so then you can only get it for $55 instead of $75. But you guys, let me know what you think. Do you think this was worth it? Did you like any of the stuff that was in this box? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. If you're not already, please consider hitting the subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.